This is not a test. A girl, wearing blue hair, a flower on her head along with black skirt and dress, has showed up on the island and destroying the engines. If you are a engine and watching this in your shed, ask your driver to lock the doors and windows to keep you safe. Thank Now there are two kids on the loose. The new one is a white male, about 15 years of age, and with yellow bunny ears and hair, and there were reports of engines being scratched from the face, along with humans that had the same fate. If you hear screaming and slicking sounds from outside, close your windows. If you don't, you might be fucking certain death. Say where you are, don't make a single puff. Thank